Niggas go, niggas come. Bitches go, bitches come. I'm the one. How many times we gotta go through this shit? How many times you gon' go check just to come back and realize that I'm that bitch? Nothing out there is better than me.
Sound so smart, like you graduated college, like you went to Yale, but you probably wonder how I knowing you. Weekend in Miami trying to study by the pool. Couple things do, but you always get it done. Might have been a time where I loved her too, but you take that away and you always been the one. I wonder why the moon looks nice, girl. Maybe it's just right for the night. You see niggas coming on too strong, girl. They want you in their life as a wife. That's why you wanna have no sex, why you wanna protest, why you wanna fight for your right. Cause you don't love them boys, pussy run they think, fuck that.
Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and I know you missed me, I know you miss all the glam beautiful looks, but today I came up with a bomb glam over the top makeup look, as you can see, and I hope you guys like it. If you want to see this video, make sure that you continue watching, of course, and also thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my last video, which was a That's So Raven inspired look, and also my other video, which was an Aaliyah J inspired look. And make sure that you comment below if you think this look is bomb. Give me feedback, tell me looks that you would like to see. Just comment below anything, even comment below your favorite artists, and maybe I can check them out and recreate some of their looks. But let me stop talking and rambling, because I tend to do that a lot, and we're gonna get right into the video. As always, we're starting off by concealing our eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe. I'm going to blend that out with my finger and set it with my Airspun translucent powder. Taking my BH12 brush, I'm going to dip into that bubblegum pink shade and blend it right on my crease, packing it on until I'm satisfied. Using this single shade by the BALM Cosmetics, it's called Matte Moskowitz. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but so be it. And I'm going to use that to darken up my crease. I switched the brushes to a more dense brush so that I can really get into my crease and darken it. Going into my Morphe 3502 palette, I'm going to go into the black shade, and I'm going to pack it onto the corner of my eye, focusing just on the corner. Now, using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in this small flat top brush, I'm going to cut my crease. Once the crease is cut, you want to pat it down so that it dries faster and it smooths everything out. Now I'm going into my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette, and I'm dipping into Scream, and then I'm going to pack it onto my eyelids. Now I'm going into Angel Fire, and I'm going to put that right in the front of Scream. Going back into my Morphe 3502 palette, I'm going to dip into that black shade and finish up the corner of my crease. I got a smaller brush to kind of clean it up more precisely. I want more of a round end than like a straight blunt cut. Using my E.L.F crease brush, I'm just blending everything out and making it more seamless. I took some black to darken up my end corner again, and I went back into my MAC Moskowitz to blend out the edges. And now I'm using my E.L.F liquid liner, and I'm going to draw a wing. But this wing is not going to go all the way out. It's going to end exactly where the black shadow starts. Taking some pink glitter, I'm going to put a thin layer of it right above my liner, and I'm using the NYX glitter primer as always to apply it in this little liner brush. The glitter got kind of messy, so I just went back in with my liner to clean everything up. I applied my lashes off camera, and now I'm going to highlight my brown bone using the Ruby Kiss All Over Glow. Now that I'm done with my eyes, we're going to get into this face. I already put on my primer and illuminator. I use my Baby Skin primer and my NYX illuminator in Sun Goddess. And now I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal True Match Cocoa Foundation. Now I'm just going to blend this in. I'm looking a little orange, which I'm not really feeling. You know, I look like a pumpkin, and that's not okay. But we'll fix that when I contour and stuff. I'm moving on to my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes, my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, under my contour, just basically all the high points of my face, and then under my contour so that I can have a more chiseled contour, if you know what I mean. Now going into my Black Radiance contour, cream contour kit, I'm going to use the dark shade to contour my cheekbones. Going back into my sponge, and I'm going to blend this all together. Now I'm going in with my Airspun translucent powder, and I'm going to set my highlighted areas or my concealed areas. Going into my Ruby Kiss contour and highlight palette, but the powder kind, I'm going to contour my cheekbones, well, set my contour. Using a separate brush, I'm going to go into the sculpting shade, and I'm just going to use it to dust off this powder. Going into my E.L.F. blush palette, as always, I'm going to go into these two bottom shades, and I'm going to put it on my cheekbones. Give me a big smile, baby. I blend my blush in with my contour because it just gives me that warm face, that, you know, I'm glowing face. I'm always dropping something. Anyway, on to my highlight. I will be using my Ruby Kiss All Over Glow, as always, and my fan brush, and I'm going to highlight me face. Woo. I know y'all see this. I know y'all see this. Like, come on now. This is why I love this highlight. Wow. I'm just in here glowing and glistening all 2018. We just glowing and glistening all 2018. Okay? Alright. This got me feeling all time. Wow. Alright, that's enough. No, let's not OD it. Let me not overdo it. So I'm gonna go in with my gel eyeliner from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to put this on my waterline. I hate this part because my eyes always get watery and try to mess everything up, but we're gonna hope for the best, you know. Do a little prayer. Father God, I just hope that my eyes don't get watery. In the name of Jesus, amen. Let's see. Hey! Maybe I should do a prayer every time I'm about to do my waterline. God really came through. My eyes really didn't get watery. Y'all don't know how shocking that is. Every time I do my waterline, my eyes get watery. Every single time. It never fails. Okay, we about to be doing a prayer every time it's time to do my waterline, you know? I'm gonna go in with my Last Blast Volume Mascara by CoverGirl. And I'm gonna put this on my bottom lash. I think I'm gonna take this and go into that. Ooh, it was under my booty. Back into this shade and put it right under that. Right. Ooh. Do a little smoky eye, smoke out that bottom wing. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna do the other eye and come back to do the lips, okay? Alright. I'm sorry guys, but a piece of my video got deleted. So on my lips, I used my brown lip liner, and then I went in with this Wet n Wild lipstick in Will You Be With Me. I love this lipstick. It is perfect for like my chocolate skin, and I just love how it's not too bright and it's not too like dry looking. And then I topped it off with this Express Gloss in Barely Pink. So that is how I got this lip combo. I hope that you like this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment below any looks you want me to do or any ideas you have for me, and I'll see you in my next video.